到四川成都宽巷子。欢迎来到四川成都宽窄巷子，欢迎来到四川成都宽子，欢迎来到四川成都窄巷子。
Hey there, this is Will Lee. I've created a 4-part video of the wide and narrow alley, Kuānzhǎi Xiàngzi, located in Chengdu, Sichuan province. This is part number 2. Sichuan is known for its spicy hot food and the world-famous giant pandas. By the way, the correct pronunciation for Sichuan is Sichuan, not Sichuan. 欢迎来到四川成都宽巷子。 Anyone who has ever visited Chengdu will probably tell you it's a city with a fast-paced lifestyle. But in Chengdu, you can go to the wide and narrow alleys to escape from the hustle and bustle of city life and enjoy peace and quiet off the beaten path. Wide Narrow Alley are actually 2 of the ancient alleys that were designed during the Ming Dynasty, year 1368 to 1644, and the Qing Dynasty, year 1644 to 1911. The Wide Narrow Alley is a national AA class tourist attraction. It has won the title of Chinese Commercial Pedestrian Street in 2009. It is also one of the top 10 most beautiful streets in Sichuan. One of the real cool things about China, and this is unique to China today, is that we can take out our cell phones and we can scan a QR code. We can scan a vendor's QR code, or the vendor can scan our QR code, and this is how we pay for everything. We don't have to exchange cash.
欢迎来到四川成都宽巷子。
Kuānzhǎi Xiàngzi Wide Narrow Alley falls under the Chengdu Historical and Cultural City Protection Plan. The Wide Narrow Alley is a national AA class tourist attraction. It has won the title of Chinese Commercial Pedestrian Street, and it is one of the top 10 most beautiful streets in Sichuan province. Its architectural styles combine the characteristics of the western Sichuan residential houses and the northern Hutong courtyard houses. The local-style Chengdu food snacks are something that you should try from the many eating places. Western-style restaurants are also available. In the year 2005, reconstruction of the Wide and Narrow District started, and on June 14, 2008, the alley was reopened as a public landmark. The street scale of the Wide Narrow Alley is defined by the buildings and walls on both sides. The width of the wide alley is approximately 23 feet wide or 7 meters wide. The width of the narrow alley is about 16 feet or 5 meters, and the buildings along the street are 1 to 2 floors, and the height is approximately 16.5 feet to 26 feet or 5 to 8 meters. The Wide Narrow Alley went under renovation in the year 2005 to June 2008. Now the Wide Narrow Alley are considered historical and cultural landmarks, mixing many Ming and Qing Dynasty style courtyards with modern restaurants, pubs, and hotels and storefronts. The ancient alleys are also lined with a variety of shops selling embroidery products, delicate porcelain, calligraphy, and accessories, painting tools, and other handicrafts. If you are interested in seeing traditional Chinese art, your best bet is to visit the Wide Narrow Alley at nighttime, when you can see many Chinese shadow plays, puppet plays, and Chinese calligraphy demonstrations. There are also music events from time to time. Thank you for watching part 2. Please continue on and watch part 3, The Narrow Alley.